What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Now in today's video we're back again with the Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and what we're gonna do is set up the phone and I'm gonna give you guys my quick initial impressions of the device. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's get this started. As it says, get started. Bam. Accept. It's connecting to my Wi-Fi. Let's do a quick Wi-Fi. So let me set this up real quick and I'll come back and run through the initial impressions. Right off the back we have some updates available, and I think it's installing the updates because it says checking for updates and installing updates. So that is all I've been told. Oh, there we go. We're done. Let's go ahead and hit next. Let's not back up. Don't copy. So now what we want to do is set up that fingerprint sensor right off the bat. As soon as we log into my Gmail account. All right. So we're here. Unlock with your fingerprint. Yep. Let's go ahead and set that up. Now keep in mind that the fingerprint sensor is on the side of the phone and not on the back or not in the display. All right, so it says before starting, hold your device in a normal way as you always should. Clean your fingerprint and the sensor, then touch the sensor. So let's clean my fingerprint and let's clean the sensor and let's touch it. Bam. Now repeat. And it says move it around. So, and we're done. Boom. What other fingerprint can we add? Let's go next. I guess, no, you can. And then this is the assistant. Agreed. Now you see how long this screen is? Now we don't have a chin. It is edge to edge, and you do have a forehead though, but dude, I don't mind that. This screen is long. Sign in with. So these are Xperia services, a lounge and support. So I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account there. Let's go ahead and software configurations. I do not want to install booking.com, AR effects, I guess. I do not want the AVG protection for Xperia. Videos and TV slide remote. That's good. You can use this as a remote. I don't see an IR blaster anywhere, but that's interesting. New suit by Sony. I don't want that. The PlayStation app. I don't own a PlayStation, but if you do, that is a great app to have, I guess. Movie creator. I'll have to take a look at that. Amazon shopping. I am an Amazon Prime member. Sketch. I don't really want sketch. Let's go ahead and go away with that. And from Google, of course, we want all the Google necessities. This is pretty cool setup review here. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Anything else? No thanks. And it's gonna add its finishing touches, and it's probably gonna download all those apps. And it says on finish. Wow, look at that. And it is downloading, and it's trying to walk me through. So it's gonna tell me to slide up, and this is very Google-like experience, very stockish, very pixel-like, may I say. Now one thing that I do like is that right off the bat the navigation gestures are like the Pixel. I don't like the Samsung ones and like other third-party navigation gestures that the OEMs have implemented with Pi. I'm used to this one, which is cool. You can just hold. Very nice. Now right off the back, this comes with Android 9.0, which is always a great start for any phone to launch in 2019. If you don't have Pi, then don't even launch your phone, dude. Let's go about phone real quick, and we do have Android 9 there. We are on the February security patch. It is now April. I haven't checked for updates, so we'll check to see if we have an available update for that. right off the back, let's see how much storage we have. Storage right here. So we, right off the box, you do have about 24% used, and I think it's because of those apps that I'm gonna download. But you have the ability not to download any of them, but some of them I do use. 15.26 gigabytes has been used from the 64 gigs of onboard storage, which is not bad. We have plenty of storage left to do whatever we need to do. The display, let's go into the display real quick. Now the display, we can adjust the color gamut and contrast, which is good. That was standard mode. We can go super vivid mode. I'm gonna leave it on super vivid mode. I love my colors to pop. Now we can customize our white balance. We can make for a warmer white, standard white, or cooler white if you like your whites to look a little bit more bluish. I don't. I'm gonna keep it at standard. It looks good to me. I'm good for right now. But besides that, everything else looks good. Look how much you can see on this display. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can see a tremendous amount of information by having this elongated screen, 21:9. Not only that, man, this thing is gonna make movies look super tight. That's it for system wise. I'm actually loving what I'm looking at here. So you see how they have a new suite to install. I don't want to install none of that. So now we checked for an update. We have no updates available right now. So far the phone is running very nice, very smooth. Dude, this thing is cool looking. And we do have the Google Now feed when we swipe right. Let's see what kind of keyboard we have. Look at that, dude. I'm liking this. Let's see what kind of keyboard we have. Oh, so now it has Swift key. I'm not a great fan of that Swift key keyboard, but I am gonna actually download the Google keyboard. That's my preferred keyboard. I like. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. But let's go ahead and snap a couple pictures real quick just to get a quick impression of what the cameras are about. But I took 2 pictures just to give you guys a quick sample what this is all about. We auto rotate. Come on, man. You're making me look bad right now. Oh, here we go. Auto rotate. There we go. And this is the bokeh effect. I don't know. You kind of got to get far from the phone to take far from the object to take the bokeh effect picture, but who knows. And this is just an inside picture here. Doesn't look too bad. Actually looks foggy, so I don't know. We got to test the cameras more to see what they're all about. But right off the bat, experience wise with the phone, it's seeming like it's gonna be a cool phone. Actually, I'm kind of digging this. I don't know why that keeps telling me, keeps bouncing. You see that? It just keeps bouncing. Yeah, I already went to it. What do you want me to do? Is that the, does it just tell you to bounce, or let's stop? There you have it, guys. That was just my quick initial first impressions of the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. So far it's looking good. The cameras, I don't know, we got to put them to the test. Now I did have the last year the XA2 Ultra, and I know those cameras kind of did suffer at first, but hopefully this phone here doesn't fall under the same trend. So that was just my quick impressions. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.